Welcome back to the Camshaft's Garage, and today we're fixing the door panel.
Got to take the door panel off so we can get to our issue. When this door locks, it is a nightmare trying to get it to unlock again. And then we got a dent right here. I want to try to tap it from the back side and see if we can't smooth that out a little bit.
How long will this take?
Well, I don't really know. It ain't like we got to finish today. Yeah, we just mess with it. Hour here, hour there. So I'm waiting on my pieces I ordered yesterday. Oh yeah, yesterday Cam he was sick all day yesterday, so he didn't help me. We didn't do no filming. But I put new headlights in. So I ordered me some new side markers. So I'm waiting on those to come in before I put it all back together. The side markers, they're pretty faded out, pretty cracked up. And I'm going to get some new bezels. This one it's not in great shape, but it ain't in horrible shape. This one here, all the chrome is gone off of it. So, but we'll get the side markers. Then we'll probably put it back together. Have it like that for a month or so. Then we'll order some bezels. And at some point, we're going to get a new grill. Then I got to figure out what we're going to do about the bumper, where the impact strip goes. They want $500 for that thing, Cam. $500. Can you believe this? For that piece of black plastic goes across the bumper there. I'll be honest with you, I don't want to pay $500 for that. And then we need the filler panels for the front and back. What are we doing all this for, Cam?
Power tour.
Trying to get ready for power tour.
But that's in like 6 months.
That's right, Cam. That is right. Today is, what's the day? February 3rd.
February 3rd.
February 3rd. Power tour is June. So we'll go ahead and we'll get started on small items. And we'll knock out small items as we go along, because we got some big items we're going to do that way. You don't know? And we got an engine sitting in there. We're going to be doing an engine swap. That's going to be big items. Ain't it right, Cam? You still don't know. So we'll be moseying with the small items. A little bit here and there. Stuff don't take too long. We still got to carry our engine to the machine shop. Whenever we get that back, is when we get into the big items. So, I've already took a few items off the door. So, we can finish getting this door panel off. Shouldn't be nothing but a couple more screws and just pop it right off. What do you think, Cam?
Can you use hot water to get rid of dents?
I have seen some videos where to do that. Cam, if you want to get the viewers in here, we'll show them what's going on. Now you can tell about everything that's going on, Cam?
I think so.
Think you can? What in the world's going on? You about there jumping in the back seat?
No.
You sure? Sure felt like you were. Oh, man, that done tricked me, I guess. All right. Now these two screws here, we'll see if we can't drop them and completely lose them. Also, I was going to film the headlight changing process yesterday, but I've had this car. Man, how long have I had this car, Ken?
Since 19 or maybe 1998.
No,
2005.
I ain't had it that long. That needs a heavy duty cleaning. I bought this car from my aunt in January of 2015. So I've had it now 10 years. I never have replaced one light. And the entire time, the headlight here on the driver's side, it was blowed. So I did the right thing and rode around with high beams on, you know, whenever I cruise at nighttime. Everybody's headlights nowadays is 1,000 times brighter than these headlights anyway. So I figured, might as well go ahead and get some new headlights. It probably took me 2 hours to change them headlights because the bottom screws, somebody had rounded all the screws off. Plus, they had this funky black mold substance growing in them. Because this car sit up under pine trees for about 3 or 4 years before I got it. So it was a wee bit on the nasty side. What in the world is that clip? I know it's, man, probably just broke that one. Sure did. Sure did. Yeah, we got more clips in there. It'll be fine. So anyway, long story short, I was getting pretty ill yesterday with the headlights. Had to take the buckets out, get the screws out with some vice grips from the backside. It was a whole fiasco. And I figured ain't nobody wanting to watch that. Not as aggravating as that was. Smells bigger than horn, Cam.
Beep.
Cam, can you get me a flathead screwdriver? I brought the Phillips, I didn't bring a flathead.
Why don't you just bring the whole toolbox out here?
Well, I didn't really think I was going to need that many tools. All right. We'll be right back after Cam gets a screwdriver. That might be a little bit on the excessive side of flat screwdrivers there, Cam. Well, it'll work. Cam bring us back the biggest flathead that we had to offer. I'm not 100% sure why that screw was there to begin with. Does it need to be there? I don't really know. Well, it definitely had it screwed into place. Oh yeah, that piece is broken. That's what the goings on is. That piece is broken. Let's not break that one, so we're going to quit messing with that. Man. That deal right there, I don't really know how to go about taking that off. Break it. We're gonna have to take a trip to the junkyard here shortly.
I can't go to the junkyard.
No, they won't let you in. It's a shame too. Have some of my fondest memories in the junkyard as a kid. Times have changed, though. You know what I mean?
So I can ride the four-wheeler while you're gone? If you go?
No, you should be thinking about what's going on in the junkyard. Oh, man, I sure wish I could go. No. I'm going to assume that this door panel has never been taken off. Let's pull this thing off. I got the stuff right here, Deep Creep. If you watch the channel, you seen me use this before. I'm going to soak down basically everything that makes any kind of movement inside this door. Because I'm not sure why this lock keeps getting stuck. Cam, hit your, it probably ain't gonna work because I ain't got this one hooked up. Hit your door lock button over there, see if the doors will lock. Oh, it does. Okay, lock it. Unlock it. Okay, lock it. Okay, unlock it. All right, let's see what this does. Door's closed. Door's open. Door, ouch. Door panel's beating me in the back. Okay, lock doors, Cam. Okay. Unlock doors.
It says look and not lock.
See right there's where my unlock again. Right there's where my problem is. Alright, whatever that piece is my problem. Let me try to get you in there to see what the goings on is. Let's see. Hey, there we go. Okay. I'm gonna have a hard time getting my hand in there. So that little piece right there is getting stuck down. Whenever that piece gets stuck down, it won't let the door unlock. You got the doors locked or unlocked, Cam?
Locked.
Okay, unlock them. Yes, and that piece stays down when it should be up. All right, lock them. So now, Okay, unlock the door. So now that piece won't come back. Let me do some reading on the internet, see what I can figure out. I almost feel like there's supposed to be a spring or something on that. I may have to pull the passenger side back apart and take a gander at that. So let me see what I can come up with and we'll get back with you. I figured it out. This little piece in here is supposed to have, you see right there, that super rusty and crusty, what used to be a coil spring. There's a spring on that little bitty rod. It ain't springing no more. So what I've done is I got me a spring out of my boat man in there. And got a hook to it. It ain't getting in the way of anything. But I might need to see if I can get one of them springs. I don't know, I might have to get the whole lock mechanism. Not 100% sure on that, but we'll get in the house, we'll do a little research on it and see. But that's working. I just don't know how long that spring will last. And the last time this door got stuck on me, I never got it back open. So I ain't locked the door since. So, glad I got that part figured out. All right. Now we'll figure out if that's going to be a permanent solution. Probably so. But we'll get in the house, we'll do a little research, see what the deal is. So, we'll be back in a couple days later. Figured while I had these off, I would clean them real good. Dye them with some color coat. Turn out looking pretty nice. So, I'll get these put back on right quick. So I got a couple more parts that showed up. And we'll get those put back on. Everything's back together. Door locks working, allegedly. Now we move on to the next one. I got some more parts I'll show you in a minute. All right, next order of business. We got some new windshield wipers, freshly installed. Also got to figure out, well, I can show you real quick. When you turn your windshield wipers on, they work like they're supposed to. Okay, windshield wipers off. You turn them on. Normal operation. Low, high, whatever you know. Intermittent. You turn them off. And they work like they're supposed to. Usually you turn them off and they just keep running. Oh, there we go. Okay, they're doing what they're supposed to do again. I'm not sure what the goings on is. Turn them off. Okay, we'll come back to that problem. Normally you cut the windshield wipers off and they just run and run and run. So usually you'll have to throw the car in neutral if you're cruising down the road. Cut the key off. You'll hear it click behind the dash. Fire the car back up, drop it back in gear, then the windshield wipers will turn off. Don't really know why they're working now. I guess because I'm filming video. That makes no sense, but whatever. That's next order of business. Got some new marker lights. Might help if I show you what I'm trying to show you. There we go. Let me get these changed out and we'll put them on. All right, we got them back in. Fresh headlights, fresh markers. And the air cleaner lid is upside down for maximum horsepower. So we got our door lock situation fixed. Door panels back on. All that right there's got some fresh dye on it. So now it matches the rest of them where I done those last year. Looks really sharp on it. I already showed the viewers. You've already seen it. So that looks good and fresh. New windshield wipers. I already say windshield wipers.
No.
Got some new windshield wipers. We got our new marker lights. Our lenses. Got new bulbs in it too. New headlights. We're on our way. What do you think? So?
Yeah.
Oh man, also got something really cool. Got to show you in the back of the car. Cam almost forgot about it.
You put a Yeah Buddy Garage sticker on it?
Yeah, we got a couple of stickers.
What's that sticker?
Heat wave sunglasses. No. The stickers will add up a little more as we go.
Is there blue and pink heat waves?
I got a pair in the house, yeah, sure do.
Or is there like blue and purple?
If Yeah Buddy's watching, he should comment and give a thumbs up for sure. Matter of fact, that's his old logo. We need 2 stickers of his new logo. We only got the one.
We have a sticker. Why don't we put the new sticker like right there? Or are we gonna put a camshaft garage decal right there?
Right there in the middle of the back glass?
Yeah. Where the soft ray safety flotation.
We could put it over here, I guess. But when we're cruising, we'll have the back glass down and you won't see no stickers on it. You know what I'm saying?
Why can't you roll that big window down?
This big giant window right here?
Yeah.
They don't give you that option.
Why can't you roll the windshield down?
You don't really want that option.
You would cause a lot of problems with that.
You know how much bug you get in the teeth if you're cruising with no windshield? Man, that would be terrible. So, that's going to wrap it up here. What were you doing while I was working on the door panel and the marker lights and whatnot?
Helping you?
No, you were riding the four-wheeler. That's probably all you'll be able to hear as you zooming by. So, anyways, that's going to do it for me and Cam. So another job well completed. Hopefully all our other jobs on this go just as smooth, because this probably be about the only thing you see on this channel over the next little while. Well, no, I take that back. I picked up the engine today to the truck, so I'm sure we'll be working on putting that all back together the weekend. All right, Cam, what do you tell our viewers?
Like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, even the ones you don't like.
Even the ones you don't like. Oh, did you tell everybody about our new outro? Who it was created by and whatnot?
I made it.
All by yourself? So, I did the new intro. You did the outro that we put in the last video.
You need to put a clip in the intro of me, like, jumping the driveway or something.
We'll have to work on that. Sure will. Sure will. All right. That's going to do it for me and Cam. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.